Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the RMail Track and Prove, Encrypt, eSign, File Share, and other features. This video will review the RMail encryption settings in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. To view the settings, you have two options. One, from the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the featured dialog box. Press the Settings button. The encryption options are as follows. The first checkbox is to enable the encryption option. When checked, the encrypt option is available. For users that are going to be using encryption often, it may be beneficial to check the box pre-select the SecuRMail encryption option by default. When checked, the encrypt option is checked by default when the Send Registered button is pressed. RMail has two main encryption modes: transmission encryption, which auto-decrypts the message for the receiver, and message level encryption, which requires a password to decrypt and view the email. Users can decide which encryption mode they would like to have as the default, transmission or message level, and if they would like to have a random password used or a pre-selected password. And lastly, you can decide if you want to have the password sent by email ahead of time by checking the email password checkbox. Please note, your administrator has the ability to override these settings in the app. If the setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. Be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.